Have you ever noticed an increase in the amount of dust around your home? If so, there's a chance that you might have an infestation of dust mites in your vacuum cleaner. These microscopic creatures are everywhere, living in carpets, mattresses, pillows, and furniture. But don't worry, because we have just the thing that will help you get rid of them once and for all. Getting rid of dust mites from your vacuum cleaner is just as important. You should start by emptying the bag or container regularly. Additionally, make sure to wash your filters regularly with warm water, soap, and a soft brush. This will help remove any dust mite allergens that may be stuck to them. Finally, invest in an anti-dust mite spray for your vacuum cleaners. This will help kill any existing dust mites as well as prevent future infestations. Of course, there are a few more things you can do to keep dust mites away from your home. First, wash all bedding in hot water at least once a week to kill any existing dust mites. Second, use special covers for mattresses and pillows that are designed to prevent dust mites from entering and surviving on them. Third, limit the amount of fabric and upholstered furniture in your home, as these provide excellent hiding spots for dust mites. Fourth, keep humidity levels low, under 50%, as this prevents dust mite growth. Investing in a dehumidifier can help with this. Fifth, use an anti-dust mite spray regularly on carpets, furniture, and curtains. These sprays will kill off any existing dust mites and help prevent future infestations. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos.